Hello, and welcome to Module 5, Building Your First AI Project with No Code. In this module, you're going to put everything you've learned into action by building a real simple project using AI tools. No coding required. That's right. You don't need to be a programmer to start using the power of AI creatively. Your first project? A text story generator. Using tools like ChatGPT and Canva, you'll create an inspirational short story, then turn that story into visually stunning content, something you can post, share, or even showcase in your portfolio. The process is simple, visual, and practical. This project is perfect for creators, marketers, students, and professionals who want to make something impactful using the power of AI and without writing lines of code. So let's dive in and start building your first AI powered content piece. Okay, so let's break down what you're actually going to build. You're going to create something really cool, a short inspirational story, and turn that into a beautiful visual post. Like, think about it. Something you can share on Instagram, LinkedIn, maybe even in an email campaign or school project. Here's what you'll do. Use ChatGPT to write a mini story, something motivational, something heartwarming. Then you'll hop over to Canva and transform that text into visuals, slides, carousels, posters, you name it. And finally, you'll download and share your creation. Basically, you're turning plain AI generated text into a share worthy design. And honestly, it's way easier than it sounds. Let's get building. All right, so now it's tools time. So for this project, you're only going to need two tools, and trust me, they're super beginner friendly. First up, ChatGPT. Ah, yes, our star writer. It helps you come up with full stories or even just spark ideas with just one prompt, like magic level stuff. Second, Canva. Oh man, if you've never used it before, get ready to fall in love. It's this drag and drop design tool that feels so smooth, perfect for making posts, slides, thumbnails, anything. Now, why these tools? They're free. Like, you can get started without spending a rupee. No coding or design skills needed. And honestly, they're just fun to use. This is all about creating with ease, and these tools are your new creative buddies. Let's move on and see how we actually use them. All right, and are you ready? This is the moment where everything you've learned so far comes together. And trust me, it's going to be exciting, simple, and honestly, pretty magical. Let's walk through the exact steps to create your very first AI powered, no code project, a beautiful text story generator. And hey, if you ever feel stuck, don't worry. A demo of this full task is available in PDF format, and you'll find it linked right in the video description below. So you're never alone. Now let's dive in. Take a moment, breathe in, smile. Now type something into ChatGPT like, "Hey ChatGPT, can you write me a short inspirational story about someone overcoming fear?" Hit enter, and within seconds, boom, there it is. A beautiful AI generated story just for you. You didn't have to write it from scratch, and yet it's full of emotion, purpose, and potential. Isn't that amazing? Step 2, read through the story. Don't rush. Take your time. Read it like you would read a friend's journal entry or a scene from a movie. Look for that one line that hits deep. That one moment that makes you go, "Whoa, I felt that." Maybe it's a quote, maybe it's the ending. Choose your favorite parts. You're the director of this story now. Step 3. Now, open Canva. Ah, yes, here's where we bring the story to life visually. Log into Canva and search for a template. You can choose an Instagram carousel, a presentation deck, or even a poster, whatever suits your vibe or your platform. There are tons of ready made designs: clean, colorful, bold, minimal, you name it. Pick one that matches the tone of your story. Step 4. Let's add the story to the design. Paste your text into the slides. Spread it out. Maybe use one quote per slide or create a mini narrative across 3 to 4 visuals. Then go ahead and add some visuals. Maybe a soft background, some cool icons, a photo that feels like the emotion of the story. If your story is about overcoming fear, maybe use a visual of a mountain, a light breaking through clouds, something symbolic and powerful. Step 5. It's styling time. Now, this is where you add your personal touch. Play around with fonts, maybe a bold title, a soft subtitle. Adjust the color palette. Go warm and hopeful or cool and dramatic. Move things around, make it yours. And remember, yeah, there's no right design. There's only your design. This part, it's where your creativity shines. Step 6. Time to finish strong. Export your project. Once you're happy with how it looks, click that download button. You can export it as a PDF, a video, or directly share it online. Post it on Instagram, share it with your friends, or add it to your digital portfolio. Then pause and take a look at what you just created. From a simple prompt to a full story to a beautifully designed AI powered visual content piece, all with no code, no stress, and a whole lot of creativity. And that's it. You've just built your first no code AI project. How amazing is that? You've taken your imagination, combined it with artificial intelligence, and created something real, something you can show, share, and be proud of. Let that sink in because this is just the beginning. Let's keep going and explore even more in the next part of your journey. All right, now that you've built something awesome, let's talk about what you can actually do with it. Want to grow on Instagram? Boom! Your story can become a stunning carousel post or even a short reel. Inspirational content your audience will love. Working on your LinkedIn brand? Well, this is gold. Share your story visually. Maybe talk about your learning journey, a moment of courage, or something you believe in. Sending out motivational emails or writing a blog post? Guess what? You already have the content ready. Just hit copy, paste, and send. Easy, smooth, professional. Still in school or college? This is perfect for class presentations or projects. Trust me, it'll make you stand out. Looks clean, creative, and smart, even though you didn't touch a single line of code. And hey, maybe you just want to keep it in your digital portfolio to show off your AI skills. You've created something real, and that says a lot to future employers, collaborators, or even clients. So, yeah, this is way more than just a fun exercise. It's real content that's practical, powerful, and super shareable. Go crazy with it. Get creative. You never know, and this might be the post that goes viral. Whew. Take a deep breath. You did it. You've officially completed your first AI project, and let me tell you, that's a huge win. Just take a moment to appreciate what you've learned. You went from a blank prompt to ChatGPT writing your story to designing a full-blown, visually engaging content piece without writing a single line of code. Let's recap real quick. You combined the power of ChatGPT and Canva. You followed a simple process: prompt, polish, design, publish. You saw how AI plus creativity can help you build something impactful, fast. You've just tapped into the superpower of no code AI. You don't need to be a developer. You don't need to be a designer. You just need your ideas and now the tools to bring them to life. And the best part, this is only the beginning. In the next module, Module 6, we'll dive into even more fun AI mini projects you can create for your blog, your social media, your resume, or just for fun. So pat yourself on the back, smile a little, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's keep building awesome stuff together.